Hello everyone, welcome back. On iTunes and App Store, if you get error message, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction, then do the following steps to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we are going to tap on profile icon and tap on payment and shipping. Under payment and shipping, maybe you need a touch ID, face ID or passcode. After that, what we have to do, we have to just update the billing information and card number, expiry date and CVV number and tap done. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then what we have to do, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, back to settings and tap on general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. And finally, what we have to do, back to settings, tap on the profile icon and tap sign out. And tap sign out. After tap on sign out, put Apple ID password, follow the instruction and tap turn off. Wait for few minutes, then sign in back. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.